Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And the title of this video is, are you making money from the stock market? If you are making, then good going. If not, there is a little more scope for hard work. Well, for the ones who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Dice Paul and I'm into the markets from 2013. So I have basically experienced everything. I have lost my money and I have learned and again tried and again lost, practiced, learned, lost the money. So all these losses and all this practice has given me a lot of lessons in this long journey. And having a YouTube community, I have a chance to talk to a lot of other traders or beginners who are learning. So I get to know certain way of trading styles of different beginners, how they start and what are the exact problems they go through. So being a new trader, what generally happens is that they look into things where there is higher returns. So wherever there is higher returns, that is where they get motivated and then they enter into trading without even understanding there is other side called risk, because their first thought is to how to make money. So with this one thought, they start off trading and they try everything and they tend to lose money, and later at the end they will realize the second thought, how should we not lose money in the market? But unfortunately most of them would have not even reached this thought. They would have quit the market because they would have lost their money, they have lost hope. They would blame the market, saying market is not good, that, this and all that. Only a very few people take chances from there and get that second thought, how can we not lose money in the market? That's when they realize, okay, we need to do something in the market, and that's when they start learning. So basically we have two options. One, like me, try, learn, go and try the market, lose money and then learn. And in this you will lose money and you will lose your time. Or you can just take guidance from different people and get that discipline in yourself, learn and then try in the market, so that you can save a lot of time and money. So if you're a trader who's not able to make money from the market, I have few points for you guys so that you can place yourself with a proper discipline, because end of the day discipline is something which makes changes in ourselves. The first point I would like to add is cover the basics. Many of the traders, as soon as they see the stock market, they just want to trade just like that. I'll give you a small example. Recently I joined this badminton coaching. I just wanted to learn a sport and get fit. So basically I joined coaching. So basically now when we go there, they will not say take the bat, come on guys, go and play the match. They will not say that. So basically first they will teach you how to hold the bat, how to change the grip, how to twist your hand. Then slowly next classes they'll teach you how to, the leg movements, how you need to move around, what are the fastest way to move around. So they'll make you to practice those things one by one. Then they'll teach you how to hit the shot and backhand, forehand. So slowly they will teach you all this. And human body will take time. The more you practice, you become better in it, right? So once you learn all these basics, when your body adapts to this practice and when you go and start playing, there'll be a big difference when you play. Same way when it comes to trading, people when they see, okay, that is buy and the sell, I just want to go and play, and in one day they want to learn all the basic. Yeah, I read all the basics, I read everything, I understand everything, buying, selling, everything, and they'll just go and start trading. It's like directly playing match on the first day itself. But the thing is, you need to learn the basics, cover the basics, understand the product without even knowing what is equity, how equity works, how things work behind. You directly go to options and just play with numbers. You don't even understand what is the undervalue behind it. The same like playing the badminton on the first day direct match. So wait, cover the basics, whether you want to do options, equity, futures, whatever. Start from the basics. What is market, how market works, what are the different things in the market. Understand each and every concepts and research about that practically. Check out about stocks, how the volumes looks like, how the chart looks like. Understand each and every, ask questions, what is this, then again research. Either ask any of your mentor, ask any of your friends who knows about it, or better Google or search on YouTube, what is the meaning of this, what is the meaning of that. You'll get more clarity, and this time frame will give you more maturity in the market. So a person who is understanding the basics and practicing those and understanding and practically learning that and then coming into the market, a person directly going and buying and selling options or equity or futures intraday, that is a big difference. So if you're not covered the basics, I know it is a hard work. You need to do the hard work. It's not so easy. If money was so easy, then Ambani, Adani would have sat and done trading, right? It takes time, it takes dedication. So go and sit and learn and cover all the things which you didn't do so many days. Second point I would like to mention is measure your risk ability, because different people come with a different background. Okay, so few people will be working, few people have just started working, few people are working for a long time, they have a lot of income source. Few people are business people, they have a lot of income and so on. So just because your friend is doing so and so, let's say he's doing options and you also want to do directly options, it's not like that. Once you learn the basics, you understand the products, what is your risk you can take? My salary is so much, my income is so much, out of which so much money I'm keeping for investments. In investments, I'm keeping so much money for stock market trading. So in this money, how much can I lose? So which type of product is easy for me? Should I trade every day, take losses, profit, losses, profit? What if I lose in 10 days? Will my account go off? All this you need to calculate. You need to start writing in a book. You use any rough book, anything, write it down, because if you have a lot of confusion in your brain, things will not be clear. You need to start writing it down, write it down. Okay, so and so risk, if I take in so many days, I will go bankrupt, my trading account. Should I reduce the risk? Is it my initial stage? Okay, which are the less risk products? Should I go with equity? Should I do intraday? Okay, little more risky. Okay, less swing trading. Should I go with swing trading? Slowly shall I do it? Shall I go for the mutual fund? So slowly measure the risk according to your income. And if you want to take risk and if you're having so much of money, it's up to you. But measure the risk, how much you want to take, and based on that select your product. But end of the day, I would always tell you to go step by step, learn the basics, learn let's how equity works, how the stock market works, and from equity how the futures and options are attached to it, because it is derived from those, right? Equity. So from that, how it is derived. So go step by step, so you will get a clarity. So measure your risk, and based on that, choose what type of product or type of trading you want to do. Point number 3 is create a strategy and backtest them. Now a common thing what happens is nobody told us create a strategy and all. They say okay, buy here. Somebody told me buy the stock, I'll go and buy. Somebody told me to sell the stock, I'll go and sell. This is you're depending on others. Now if you're depending on others and you're making money, you would have not watched this video, so maybe you're not making money. So you have to learn by yourself. The common mistake what we do is we blindly go and take a stock and buy. Tomorrow we don't know why we will buy a stock, right? So create a strategy. You basic thing, either indicator or you want to do price actions or fundamentals. Use any method from what you learn from your basics. Again, I'm telling you what you learn from your basics. Arrange them, create a strategy, and see where you are getting better results. So for that, you need to backtest your strategy. Finding strategy is very easy. Okay, I got A plus B plus C, one strategy is created, then backtest them. Not many will backtest. See for let's say 6 months, 1 year, is it really giving me money? If it is giving money, very good, then test 1 more year, 2 years back data. Is it giving me money? If it is giving money, then something is good in it. Till the trend is there, it is good. When the trend change, it will change. So backtest it. Is it still working? Is it still good? Few strategies will not be working, but now at this trend it is working. So you need to not forget any strategy, or not forget, or write it down and keep testing, back testing, back to back. So this will make you understand, okay, this is the maximum profit it has given from so many years, and this is the maximum losses it has taken. If I put my money, I may go into loss. If I put my money, at least I'll make some money, or I will not make money. The point of no point in trading in this strategy. You will realize the effectiveness of a strategy. Point number 4 is create a backup plan. Now you would have created a strategy, things is working for you, you are back tested, and everything is going, and somewhere you make a mistake. Then you need to understand that you don't have a backup. Okay, you don't have a backup plan. Basically, when your strategy is going good, don't just be satisfied. Okay, I'm done my lifetime. No, the trend changes, your strategy's effectiveness goes down. You should always have a backup strategy which you're back testing. When you're using a strategy, background, you'll be testing other strategies which are still working. When this strategy fails, starts fading down, you will use a strategy which is working in your list. So that is, you have to basically, you should keep working, finding things and testing them, and basically do a research. All right. Point number 5 is understand other businesses also. Now let's say you've done all this and everything is going good. You have a strategy, you have backup strategy, everything is going perfectly. But somewhere there is something which you have to keep in mind. That is, you need to understand other businesses. What if you put this money in other business? You're putting in a franchise of, let's say, Domino's, KFC. What is the return you will get? Let's say in 2 years, 3 years, you will recover the money. Then you will make profit above that, right? So how much percentage are they making? In trading, how much percent am I making? Am I making 2% a month, 3% a month, 4% a month, 5% a month? Few people will say, I want 100% a month, 50% a month. Try to compare with other businesses. If this is giving 100% a month, 50% a month, then like I told you, big business people would have only done trading. There is risk also. The way you make money, the way you lose also in the market. So take calculated risk, less return also is fine. But compare that with other businesses. If other business is giving that money, then you should take the money and put in other business. If you're able to beat that, for example, mutual fund, let's say it's giving an average of 12%. That means monthly 1%. So if you're trading, you're making more than 1%, then you're doing good. You're not making more than 1% overall in a year. Again, comparatively, 2 years, overall your average is below 1% monthly. Then you should take and put in mutual fund or some other instruments, and where you'll get more money, right? So you need to understand what are the other businesses which will give you money. If you're able to cross that, only you need to continue in this. Or this should be your diversification. You need to invest in that and even in this, such a way that you're getting returns from every source. And one more psychological impact is when you understand other businesses' returns, you will realize, thank God, trading is giving me 2-3% a month. Fantastic. Because a lot of people end up paying rent and expenses, everything. They may come up with 0.5%, 1%, 2%. Next month, they may go in negative also. So in trading, when you're making positive and you're making negative, understand that every business has the same thing, but they have used their capital for buying infrastructure and furnitures and everything. But you have your full cash with you in your account. Upon that, you're making money. So be happy with the percentage you have. Be logical. Don't have this dreamy returns. Once in a while, that can happen. It's not that continuously it will happen every year. So go and understand other businesses. Very important. That is when you will be satisfied with what you're getting from the market. Or else the greediness, the emotion factor will push you to more risk factors, and you'll be making money in equity. Then you want to make something more. That's when you'll go into other products and you may take more risk and you may end up losing. So I've tried all that. That's the reason I'm sharing with you guys. And the last point is never stop learning, and many fail at this particular point. As and when people learn, let's say 5 months, 6 months, they learn something in the market. Let's say one strategy started giving money to them. They think that it is done. I know everything. And they will stop learning, thinking I'll make money lifetime. And after 3 months, 4 months, when the trend changes, that's when they'll understand that they have lost it. They will not have that ability to learn. They'll be thinking, what's going on? I'm not making money. What happened? And they do revenge trading, many trading and all that. So it's always good when you are not making money, you learn. When you're making money also, you need to keep learning. You need to update yourself. Like I told you, you have to create your backup strategies also. That is a learning process. So this particular process will help you to stick to the trend, help you understand what's going on in the market, what are the new things in the market. It will also add on to your skills. So never stop learning at any point. That's a very good secret. So hope this knowledge share helped you guys and bring this into your trading discipline. See you soon with more learning and stock market videos. Till then, take care, stay safe.